This is our Royal Adventure PlayStation Thunderstorm APS06. The product area is 8 feet height, 15 feet length, and 14 feet width. The safe play area is 12 feet height, 21 feet length, and 20 feet width. It is all weather-proof, rust-free, corrosion-proof, water-proof, fire-resistant, impermeable to moisture, fungus and bacteria-proof, maintenance-free, long-life, durable. Royal Adventure PlayStation Thunderstorm APS06 consists of parallel bar, pull-ups bar, stepper, loop rung, straight climber. Children from 10 years and above age persons can play on this. The playing capacity is 15 to 20 persons at a time.